Hello and welcome back to Dumb Down Tech. Today I am setting myself a challenge of upsetting people and getting some comments because I'm going to attempt to use Linux. Never before have I even considered using Linux, but with Windows 10 now being done, I have decided that I'm going to reuse an old Alienware motherboard. It's got a first gen i7, the 960, so it's old. I've tried everything that I can that I normally would try to put and brute force Windows 11 onto it. It's just not taking it, full stop. It's not happy. I only need this system just for internet access, so I can watch YouTube videos or I can get some guides and help because Dumb Down Tech is done. It's set up in my man cave. We're going to go there in a minute and attempt this whole setup. And I've got no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to use the most basic version of Linux. I've done a little bit of research and I'm going to use Mint Cinnamon. I know people are going to say, but you should use this one and this one and this one. I've got no idea what I'm doing. I just want to use the most simple one going so I can attempt to dip my toes in the water, as it were, and just go and learn a little bit. And if I enjoy it, then I'm going to potentially move forwards and try some more advanced stuff. How well that will ever go, who knows? I suppose we'll find out on this first little dabble here with Mint. So let's go on an adventure together and see what we can do. Let's go. So first off, here is my little man cave. We have got a Alienware motherboard mounted to the wall. Why not? The power supply hidden behind. Just some basic tools, cable ties, RAM, random bits, processors, spare hardware. But this is where we start off. So as you see, this is a standing position for me, which is why I wanted to use this. It's easy to do some work and standing is better for my back. I'm not a young whippersnapper anymore. So what we're going to do to start off with, as you see, I'm running Windows 10 USB stick. So we'll plug that in and we'll go from the beginning. Let's hope that takes. It's a good sound. Okay. So we want the internet. Sorry that it's not screen captured. My other PCs are a bit too far away for this. So we want Linux Mint. Download, that sounds like a good idea. Download Linux Mint. Nice. So Cinnamon, XFCE, and Mate. Good old Linux Mate. Right, we'll go with Cinnamon, sod it. 3 gigabytes, huge. Right, where do we download? Mirrors, right. Obviously we're in the UK, so keep scrolling. And, oh, United Kingdom. We'll go with the top one. Right, so that is downloading. Okay, a good start. And now we'll need Rufus so we can mount our ISO. So we'll go on Rufus. Yeah, we'll consent. I'm sure most of you have used Rufus before, so go away adverts. Right, so now we'll just wait for Cinnamon to download and we'll be back. Right, so we're downloaded finally, so we will close, we will open our downloads. We'll just drag these both onto the desktop, Rufus and the ISO. We'll run Rufus. No, I can't bother to update in a minute, it's not needed. So we've got our new volume with our USB stick in here. Yeah, we want ISO. Select our ISO is on our desktop. Open. Yep, that's checked and that's good. We will now just start. We're gonna write ISO image recommended. Okay. And it will delete everything on the USB. Perfect. Yes. So we'll let this do its thing. And we'll be back again once this is done, and we'll start getting to the good stuff, hopefully. Okay, and that's finally done. So let's close that up. We'll leave that plugged in, and I'm going to reuse the same SSD that is currently plugged into this. So we'll restart and hopefully be able to change our boot settings. This Alienware motherboard is temperamental. Of course, splash screen though. Perfect. Right. Kingston Data Traveler. Oh, okay. Start Linux Mint. Okay. Has that done anything? Is it doing anything? Oh. All right, we've got a flashing line. Not sure. Oh. Okay. We've got lots of letters. Okay. Wow. It's a little bit different to Windows. All right, now it looks like I'm hacking things. Hack the planet. Hack the planet.
Hack the planet! Hack the planet! Shut up and get
That is, I've got no idea what any of that means. Blue Man mechanism. No idea. I can very much see why advanced users just do stuff and it looks weird. And now we have nothing again. Oh. Okay. We are learning this together as we go. Oh. So I'm guessing that's not it, because it says install Linux Mint there. Or is it installed? It can't be installed because I haven't wiped anything. Let's see. Does that do anything? Oh. I genuinely have no idea. I've got this set up wired and I've got a Bluetooth Wi-Fi dongle in it as well. I wasn't sure if I just left a dongle in it, if that would make a difference at all, because it would need to install drivers, or I just thought I'd go for the safest option and just hardwire it for the time being. Right. Okay, so install English. Yes, please. Continue. and English UK. Thank you. That's the Wi-Fi. I'll set Wi-Fi up later. So I had to take a pause there because I made a mistake. It's hardwired this end. It's not hardwired into the router. I really need to get myself a switch so that I can go back. English, continue. I need to get a switch so that I can have everything plugged in all the time rather than my limited 4 ports that I've got currently. I have to unplug, plug in. Multimedia codecs are required to play some video formats and to properly render some websites. So then we'll install that, shall we? And continue. Preparing Ubuntu drivers is like Ubuntu, the overall, and then there's breakoffs like Mint and stuff. So I've got install Linux Mint alongside Windows 10, erase disk and install Linux Mint, or something else. Erase. What are advanced features? Use LVM with the new Linux Mint installation. What is LVM? Cancel? Erase them. Just let's hope for the best. Write the changes to disk. If you continue, the changes listed below will be written to the disks. Otherwise, yeah, continue. We are in London. Your name. Let's go with Dumb Down Tech. Choose a password. And continue. Right, so we'll let that do its thing, and we'll be back once that part's done. Right, so that's now done, and it's come up with this box saying continue testing or restart now. Installation has finished. You can continue testing Linux Mint now. Oh, it was like a little try before you buy sort of thing. I'll restart. And we'll see what happens now. Please remove the installation medium and press enter. Okay, cool. So that's out. Enter. So does this mean it's done? Or is there more to do? Because I have a feeling I will need to do some Googling potentially if it's not done. I know there's a weird terminal, I'll say weird, it's weird to me now because obviously a Windows user, terminal thing to type in commands. I'm hoping that's pretty simple on here. All the forums and stuff that I did look at, I've not looked at any videos for this. I wanted to purposely let my experience be as a first-time user, be the most basic. Right, password. So yeah, I wanted my first-time experience to be the same as you. Okay, cool. Welcome to Linux Mint. Welcome to your new operating system. The welcome screen will guide you through your first steps. Excellent. Show you how to find help and where to get more information about Linux Mint. On behalf of the development team, right, blah, 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 let's go. Okay. Driver manager, excellent. Update manager, I like that. That is very simple and very similar to Windows. Let's see if there's any updates. Welcome to the update manager, security updates, software updates, and system snapshots. Okay. there is an update, so let's apply the update. Oh, okay. We are installing. There's lots. Yeah, just install all. Okay. Do you have to enter your password every single time you want to do anything? I mean, I suppose it's a good safety feature. Windows just lets you do anything you want. Once you're signed in, you can just, yep, that's it, done. And actually, this does look like a very light system. 1 gigabyte worth of updates. That's nothing in comparison to a Windows update. Be interested to see if you can get Google or, oh yeah, Google really, that's my normal go-to for my internet browser. See, it's got a Firefox pre-installed. I can see that down here. Yeah, can I? Skip. Start. YouTube. I'm not signing into anything just yet. Dumbdown Tech, obviously the favourite channel. John's Bow. No sound. Volume. No sound. Sound settings. HDMI.
I've got pasting to review.
Oh. Sound. Look at that handsome chap. Right, so we've got YouTube, we've got sound. That's a good start. Basically, all I needed this for is just to have it here so that when I'm working on something and I'm using my space here, I am able to get a tutorial up if I needed it, or just have some entertainment in the background. Because currently I was having to turn my normal main speaker up louder or watch items on my phone. System is up to date. Okay. Drivers? Let's have a look. Looking for drivers. I'm currently just using a GT 710 just for a picture out, as this motherboard doesn't actually have any video out ports at all. You have to use a graphics card with this. So talking about the 710, there it is. NVIDIA driver. Not that it's supported anymore, but right, so you do have to enter your passcode every time. Yeah, not that the 710's supported anymore, but let's see how this goes. I do know from the forums that it prefers AMD video outputs. I have got one in the Dumbdown Tech office that I can potentially use. It's not a graphics card, it's literally just a video out old ATI Radeon DisplayPort. So if this does give me issues over the next few days, the next time I'm in the office, I might actually just bring that home and try that out. Because again, like the 710, it doesn't actually need any additional power supply, which is partly what I want. And also I want it to be a small light card because it's not actually being held in with anything other than the PCIe slot itself. Right, so that part's done, and it's come up with an error occurred. Error while installing package, installed NVIDIA, blah, blah, blah. So I'm assuming that means that it's not happy with that one. That one is already, it's not letting me change it. So I'm assuming that one's already installed, this open source Video Nuval. Hopefully that, well, as we've seen, I've already got a picture and a video. But no idea what any else is. So I think for to start off with, what we'll do, we'll just stop there. We'll go back and we will do a summary of how this experience has gone. So that's the rundown. Fairly painless installation actually, and quite simple. I do like that at no point when doing them updates did I have to use that terminal thing that I'd read about and pretend I know what I'm talking about, because I don't. Apparently, I've just done some Googling quickly in between then and now, and you can use terminal, which I will try out and give it a go. I'm going to run with this for a few weeks, see how I get on with it, and see where that brings me in the future. See if it does allow me to have some confidence to move into these more advanced features and advanced distros, as I have also since learnt now referred to, and just see if Windows isn't the be all and end all. I know I hate Mac OS. I've used that enough now and hate it, detest it. This one being nice and similar to Windows is a very good, gentle push in that direction for Linux. What I'll probably do is, like I say, run it for a few weeks, maybe do a short as an update, or you never know, there might be another video of me going, haha, I feel confident, I feel prepared, and moving on to a more difficult to me, system. But overall, happy with how that's just gone. Enjoyed the little page that made it look like I really was in some 90s action movie where I'm hacking the system and within 3 seconds I have taken down the world network. Never again will I feel like that again, probably. So on that sad note of upsetting this, please come back, like and subscribe, and we'll see you for the next video.